Right, I'm gonna bust a box of this 2010 Topps 5-star football. Alright, here we go. First card from the bottom. LT, Damian Tomlinson. Numbered out of 79. Number set out of 79, Eli Manning. Numbered out of 79, Matt Castle. Ooh, and got a red zone. Didn't see that. Ben Tate. Next card is not that bad. One colored jersey auto of Colt McCoy. Numbered out of 40. Next one, pretty good. Number out of 40, Drew Brees. One colored jersey, jumbo jersey of Toby Gerhart. And the booklet, Jermaine Gresham. Numbered out of 25. One color jersey and 2 patches. All right. Thanks for watching.